Echinodermata. Echino means spines. Dermata, present on the surface of skin. Present on the skin. Echinodermata. These are deuterostomes. These are deuterostomes. Okay, students? Deuterostomes, that means blastopore develops into the anus, mouth forms later. Next, enterocoelomate, student. In this, these are the animal shows the coelom, that is enterocoelom, which is formed by archenteron pouches. Enterocoelom. Hence, these are enterocoelomates. These are marine animals. These are marine animals. Radially symmetry. Which type of the symmetry present in the animals from the phylum Echinodermata? These are radially symmetrical animals. That is also called pentamerous radial symmetry. By the presence of the 5 arms. Body shows 5 arms. The coelom is also called pentamerous radial symmetry. Larvas of these animals shows bilateral symmetry. When these are the larvas develops into the adult one, loses bilateral symmetry and shows radial symmetry, pentamerous radial symmetry. Next, body wall is thick, body surface is spiny. This is the body plan of the Echinoderm. 5 arms are present in the body. This is the arboreal side of the animal. Anus is present. Okay. Next, body surface is shows spines or the needle-like structures. These are the edges of the body surface having spines. Okay, student. Next, centrally is with disc-like arrangement. Body surface is with spines. Echinoderm shows mesodermal endoskeleton. Endoskeleton of the calcareous ossicles. Endoskeleton, that is made up with the calcareous ossicle originated from the mesodermal layer. Echinoderm shows this type of the skeletal structures. Also support to the spines. Okay, student. Next, spines are modified into pedicellarium. Student, body surface also shows pedicellarium. Pedicellarium are these are modifications of the spines. Next, Echinoderm shows unique type of the feature, that is the water vascular system, is also called ambulacral system. Water vascular system, it is also called ambulacral system. Okay, it is derived from coelom. It is derived from coelom and helps in locomotion, respiration, exchange of the gases, capturing of the food particles, transport of the food particles. Student, this is the arm of the Echinoderm in the body. This is the canal-like arrangement, is called umbilical canal. Each one of the arm shows this type of the canal system. Okay, madreporide, it is the madreporide having the one of the main aperture. Madreporide receives the water from the outer environment. Madreporide receive water, that is the water is transported through the radial canal and also enters into the umbilical canal of the each arm, and water is exit to the outside by the help of the 2 feet like arrangement. Okay, this is the umbilical system. Water vascular system helps in locomotion, respiration, capturing and the transport of the food particles. Next, water is entered by madreporide. Water enters into the umbilical system or water vascular system. Okay, that is the madreporide. Circulatory system is open type circulatory system. Heart, blood vessels are absent in the body of echinoderm. Next, and the respiration. Respiration is also by papillae or dermal branchiae. Dermal branchiae are thin outgrowth of the body wall. These are between the spines. Between the spines, thin outgrowth of the body wall. These are dermal branchiae, papillae, helps in respiration. And some of the animals like sea cucumbers. Sea cucumbers, if you observe cloaca region of these animals, there are respiratory trees. These are cloacal respiratory trees, helps in exchange of the gases. Because sea cucumbers having respiratory structures, these are cloacal respiratory trees. Next, excretion. Excretion, separate type of the excretory organs are absent in these animals like heart and blood vessels. Excretion is possible by diffusion. Next, nervous system is also poorly developed. Student, sensory organs also poorly developed. Brain is absent. Brain absent, nervous system is poorly developed. Next, sexually these animals are separate. Sexually these are separate. Dioecious. And but do not exhibit sexual dimorphism. Sexually separated, but sexual dimorphism is absent. These animals does not exhibit sexual dimorphism. Next, student, reproduction is bisexual. Sexual reproduction is occurs. Fertilization is external fertilization. Fertilization between the gametes does not occur in the body of animals. Fertilization is external. Development is indirect. Larva is present. Development indirect with free swimming bilaterally symmetrical larva. Development is indirect, that is the larva is free, swims in the water, that also shows bilateral symmetry. And power of regeneration is also present. Power of regeneration, these are the echinoderms, also shows power of regeneration. Student, another autotomy is the one of the feature that is shown by echinoderms. What about the autotomy? That means when the animal is captured by the predator, when animal is echinoderm is captured by the predator, that is the last body part is regenerated. Okay, that is autotomy. Last body part is regenerated. That is the autotomy is the character. Next, diplurula, student. Diplurula is the larva. It is considered as a hypothetical larva. What about the hypothetical larva? Because all of the echinoderms are the larva forms. Different types of the echinoderms shows different types of the larvas. Various types of the larvas. All the larvas are originated, evolutionary, originated from the diplurula larva. Because it is a hypothetical larva, consider the ancestor of the all echinoderms. Next, examples: Asterias, sea star, it is also called Echinus, Antedon, Cucumeria. These are the examples. Asterias, Echinus, Antedon, Cucumeria. It is about the characteristic features shows by animals belong from the phylum Echinodermata.